Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a Line. Exercise 14E, sum number 1. Point P divides the line segment joining point A 80 and B 16 minus 8 in the ratio 3:5. Find the coordinates of point P. Also find the equation of a line through P and parallel to 3x plus 5y equal to 7. Using the section formula, the coordinates of point P are 3 into 16 plus 5 into 8 upon 3 plus 5, 3 into minus 8 plus 5 into 0 upon 3 plus 5 equal to 11 minus 3. Let that be x1, y1. 3x plus 5y equal to 7. Lines are parallel, so slopes are equal. We'll find the slope, which is equal to y equal to minus 3 upon 5x plus 7 upon 5. The slope of this line is minus 3 upon 5. As the required line is parallel to the line 3x plus 5y equal to 7, slope of the required line equal to slope of the given line equal to minus 3 upon 5. Thus, the equation of the required line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y plus 3 equal to minus 3 upon 5 into x minus 11. 5y plus 15 equal to minus 3x plus 33. 3x plus 5y equal to 18. Question number 2. The line segment joining points A 3 minus 4 and B minus 2 1 is divided in the ratio 1:3 at point P in it. Find the coordinates of P. Also find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Using section formula, the coordinates of point P are 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3 upon 1 plus 3, 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4 upon 1 plus 3 equal to 7 upon 4 minus 11 upon 4 equal to x1, y1. The equation of the given line is 5x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Implies y equal to 5 by 3x plus 4 upon 3. Slope of this line equal to 5 upon 3. Therefore, the required line is perpendicular to the given line. Slope of required line equal to minus 1 upon the slope of given line, which is 5 upon 3 equal to slope of required line equal to minus 3 upon 5. Thus, the equation of the required line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y plus 11 upon 4 equal to minus 3 upon 5 into x minus 7 upon 4. 4y plus 11 upon 4 equal to minus 3 upon 5 into 4x minus 7 upon 4. Okay, cross multiply. So we get here 20y plus 55 equal to minus 12y plus 21. This 4 and this 4 get cancelled. 12y plus 20y plus 34 equal to 0. 6x plus 10y plus 17 equal to 0. Question number 3. A line 5x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0 meets y-axis at point P. Find the coordinates of point P. Find the equation of line through P and perpendicular to x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Point P lies on y-axis. Putting x equal to 0 in the equation 5x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0, we get y equal to minus 5. Thus, the coordinates of point P are 0, minus 5. X minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. We'll first find the slope of this line. Equal to means y equal to y equal to 1 upon 3x plus 4 upon 3. Slope of this line equal to 1 upon 3. The required equation is perpendicular to the given equation, which is x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Slope of the required line equal to minus 1 upon 1 upon 3 equal to minus 3. x1 y1 equal to 0 minus 5. Thus, the required equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y plus 5 equal to minus 3 into x minus 0, 3x plus y equal to 0. Sum number 4. Find the value of k for which the lines kx minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 and 5x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. We'll find the slope of both the lines. First line kx minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. 5y equal to kx plus 4. Y equal to k upon 5x into 4 upon 5. Slope of this line m1 be k upon 5. Other line 5x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. 2y equal to 5x plus 5. Y equal to 5 upon 2x plus 5 upon 2. Slope of this line m2 equal to 5 upon 2. Since lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 is k upon 5 into 5 upon 2 equal to minus 1. K equal to minus 2. Sum number 5. A straight line passes through the point P and Q. P is minus 1 4, Q is 5 minus 2. It intersects the coordinate axis at point A and B. M is the midpoint of the segment AB. Find first the equation of the line. Slope of PQ equal to minus 2 minus 4 upon 5 plus 1 equal to minus 6 upon 6 equal to minus 1. Equation of line PQ is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 4 equal to minus 1 into x plus 1. Y minus 4 equal to minus x minus 1. X plus y equal to 3. Second part, the coordinates of A and B. For point A on x-axis, put y equal to 0. Putting y equal to 0 in the equation of PQ, we get x equal to 3. Thus, the coordinates of point A are 3, 0. For point B on y-axis, put x equal to 0. Putting x equal to 0 in the equation of PQ, we get y equal to 3. Thus, the coordinates of point B are 0, 3. Third part, the coordinates of M. M is the midpoint of AB. So, the coordinates of point M are 0 plus 3 upon 2, 0 plus 3 upon 2. That is equal to 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. Sum number 6. 1, 5 and minus 3 minus 1 are the coordinates of vertices A and C respectively of rhombus ABCD. Find the equation of the diagonal AC and BD. A 1, 5, B minus 3 minus 1. Point C equal to minus 3 minus 1. We know that in rhombus, diagonals bisects each other at right angle. Let O be the point of intersection of diagonal AC and BD. Coordinates of O are 1 minus 3 upon 2, 5 minus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 1, 2. Slope of AC equal to minus 1 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus 6 minus 4 equal to 3 upon 2. For line AC, slope m equal to 3 upon 2, x1 y1 1 5. Equation of the line AC is y minus phi 1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus phi equal to minus 3 upon 2 x minus 1. 2y minus 10 equal to 3x minus 3. 3x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. For line BD, slope equal to m minus 1 upon slope of AC equal to minus 2 upon 3. x1 y1 minus 1 2. Equation of line BD is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 equal to minus 2 upon 3 x plus 1. 3y minus 6 equal to minus 2x minus 2. 2x plus 3y equal to 4.